Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubhangi. Today I want to show you how to make this gorgeous mandala stone. So let's get started. Let's start with the tools that we need. So we need this fine dotting tool for making the smaller dots, and we also need the bamboo tools for making the bigger dots. You can buy these dotting tools from our website. And the colors are autumn leaf, parchment and yellow ochre from folk art paint, and Fevicryl, crimson and the regular green color. So the size of the stone is about 4 inch, and you just have to paint it with your favorite color. I have used violet color here. You can use black or any other dark color that you want. Let it dry. I am using this stencil to mark the guidelines that will help you to make the design more symmetrical. You can also use a regular ruler for this. So I am starting with this bamboo tool. I am making a central dot with autumn leaf or any other orange color that you have. Let's use this fine dotting tool for making the tiny dots around the bigger dot. You just have to follow the guideline and make some tiny dots in between them. And the color that I am using here is parchment color, or you can also use any white color that you have. Now make some little bigger dots with orange or autumn leaf color in between these white tiny dots. Now follow the next row with yellow ochre color. The dot has to be little bigger than the previous dots. Now the fourth row is with crimson red color with slightly bigger dotting tool. And the fifth row is with autumn leaf color with slightly bigger tool. So friends, now I am making some bigger dots with this bamboo tool. The size of the dot has to be approximately 6 mm, and the color that I am using here is the green color from Fevicryl paint. You just have to follow the guidelines. Now walk the dots around this green dot with parchment color, and the tool that I am using here is the finest tool that I have. So the next row is with yellow ochre color. I am using slightly bigger dotting tool and making the similar walking dot pattern. So the third row of this petal is with crimson red color. You just have to pick the paint once and follow it from top to bottom of this petal. In that way, the size of the dot will keep on decreasing from the bigger dot to the smaller dot. Now I am using the bamboo tool and making some slightly bigger dots of approximately 3 to 4 mm. The color that I am using here is autumn leaf color. After this, I am making 2 dots on both the sides of this bigger dot. Now walk the dot from top to bottom using fine dotting tool. Now I am making some bigger dots in between these petals with crimson red color. The size of the dot has to be approximately 8 mm. So the idea is to make another row of petals so that it will look like a blooming marigold. Now we will walk the dot with parchment color or any other white color that you have, as we have done before. Now follow the second row with the green color. Now follow the third row of walking dot with autumn leaf color. So in the fourth row, we'll make the 3 top dots of yellow ochre color as we have done before, and then we'll follow the dots. Now I am making 3 dots in between these petals with green color. Now with same dotting tool, I am making crimson red color dot above these 3 green dots. It's time for top dots. I am making some top dots with yellow ochre color on the crimson red color. And making some crimson top dots above the green color. So friends, my mandala stone is ready. I call her marigold mandala stone. What do you think about this design? Let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up if you like this artwork. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.